Welcome to the 15th video in the series, Foundations of Communist Organizing. Today we'll be going over the 1920 piece by the Third Communist International's Second Congress, Preamble to the Statutes. This is a short piece. For a single, universal communist party is what I've subtitled this. The party must organize beyond a local, national, or economical basis, establishing itself on a social and international basis. To do this, it must come into Congress with other parties and organs, and so within an international Congress, wherein it becomes a mere individual section of the whole while remaining independent. This can only be done if all parties reject any form of chauvinism or bigotry, as communism is a world historic movement that seeks the emancipation of the workers of the whole world. All national communist parties that are part of the international should be able to obtain aid from the organized workers of other countries, so as to maintain itself as a non-sectarian, internationally subordinated party that takes independent action and continually develops to higher forms. It must be firm and centralized as an organization. And that is the end of the Third Communist International Second Congress Preamble to the Statutes summary. As usual, if you'd like to look at the quotations I derived the summary from, please feel free to go to the description below and you'll find a link to the Google Doc that this is on. You'll also find a link to the United Marxists Pact Discord server. Please consider joining it and taking a look around. With that said, tomorrow we will be going over the next piece in this Second Congress, Conditions of Admission to the Communist International. Thank you for joining me for today's topical summary, and I hope to see you then.